Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. I want to show you guys how to install your Pecan investments website, which has a different front end and it's very slick. Now this website tutorial will show you that you can also be able to install any kind of website script as long as it is coding, which is very easy to do. So follow me to the next section. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the front end section of the website. As you can see, so nice. Now let me navigate to the user section. Now this is how the user section is, which is awesome and very good. I know you guys might be wondering how we're able to achieve all these results, so just sit back, enjoy this video, ensure to practice what I did, and also if you want to get this, just message me. See you guys at the So guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now I'm using Hostinga for this video section on how to install your investment script. So once you come to your hosting platform, either cPanel or HPanel, whatever hosting you're using, it's still the same process. Just go to File Manager. As you can see, this is my domain name, which is empty. So go to public_HTML, then go to where you have upload. So go to file, then head straight to go to your file and so let me upload our script. So this is a zip file. Now it's uploading. While this is uploading, go back to your dashboard. Ensure to create your corporate email account, which is easy. I won't be doing that for this video section. And also how to configure your webmail to your Gmail, and how to link them both in mobile, to use them in your mobile phone. It's very easy. I have that video in my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and watch it. So the next thing we're doing here is go to your database section. So let's create our database. Let me just fill out this information. So after you've done this, ensure to click on all privileges if you're using cPanel to give your database all permission. So I'll click on create, and always save your information on your notepad. So mine is created. I'll click on phpMyAdmin. If you're using cPanel, locate your phpMyAdmin. So go to import, then you come to choose your file. Now this is our database. I'll go to open and import. So this has been uploaded successfully. I'll hit some structure. So I'll go back to public_HTML. As you can see, this has been uploaded successfully. I'll just extract this file. Good. So double click on the folder, ensure to copy all and move this to your public_HTML. Now ensure to delete the folder we created. Good. So guys, the next section here is you come to ensure your PC version is 8.1 and above. So go back to your dashboard. So I'll locate, let's go to advanced. If you are using cPanel, go to PHP selection or multiple PHP manager. So go to PHP configuration. So I'll select this as 8.1 and let's go. I'll click on update. Good. So I'll go back to my public_HTML, which is my file. Now for your .env, edit this section, change the file permission to 600. for security reasons. Okay, then you update this, then go back to your .env, edit it, edit your .env. Now if you're new to hosting, if you're not seeing all this information, they are called hidden files. You won't be able to see them if you do not select show. If you're using cPanel, go to your top right corner, click on settings, and you're able to see show hidden files. You should to click on it. Then I'll go to .env. Now what next you do is copy your domain link and paste. So change this to your company website's name. So the name should be together like this, do not give them space. Then I'll go back to my information I saved, which is your database information. Copy your database name. So copy your database username. So what you're doing is copy and paste. Also, your database password you created, ensure to copy that and save and input it here. Ensure you see what I'm doing, right? So this is how it is. Then click word save. Then you exit section. So I'll go back here and reload. Now it said okay, take it to 8.2. So I'll take it back to 8.2. Then I'll update it. Good. So I'll go back again and reload. So hold on. So let me just reload here again. Okay, we're having 500 error. So let me go back to my public_HTML. Go to your .env, edit your .env. Then let's debug this. Let's see. Then click on save and reload the section. Now this is talking about my database username password. So there is the error. Let me see my password. Now my password here, let's change the password section. Then go back to your management, your dashboard, your hosting dashboard. Go to database, edit it, and let's see. Then change your database password. Click on this and change password. So let me use something simple to avoid issues. Let me use this. Let me use this as my password. And okay, let me take this up. Then update this. So let me go back to my .env and paste it here. Let me just click save. So let me reload this section. So as you can see, this is the website. This is the front end of the script. So this is how it is. Now that happens due to database issue, which is quite understanding. So that's how you will be able to debug and understand the errors coming in there. So I'll just take it back to false and save this section. Good, we're good to go, guys. This is the front end of the website, which is nice. Now this is not my customized script, so I just like to upload designs most time. This is not my customized script. Okay, I'm not the original author of this design. So that said, next section here is how to, if you click on the login section, now this is how the login is, which is unique. So let me show you guys how to log in the admin. So let me copy my domain to a new tab. So to get the admin domain link is this admin your domain/admin/remedy login. So that's how you get your admin information. Now I told you guys this is not my customized scripts. I just love to upload new designs that are very nice, just in case of those who want to get something like this. So go back to your public_html. Remember I changed the password, so let me just reload the PHP admin section. So I'll go to admin, which is admins, and edit this section. So let's copy our company email we created. Then ensure to encrypt this password. So then scroll down and click on go. Now I'll go back to the admin section here. Paste the email we added and sign in. So guys, as you can see, we've successfully signed up or log into the admin section. So let me just delete all the informations here before I continue. So guys, now this is it. I've cleared all the demo data inside. I just want it to look fresh. Then just scroll down to the side here and click settings. Then you go to app settings. Let's get started. Now go to website information. How to edit most of this information. Go to your public_html. Then locate resources. Go to views, go to admin, then you go to settings. Then this should be app settings, and let's say we have go to show blade. So this is the show blade. You won't be able to see it here, right? So how to locate most things you see in script is, as you can see, we are at the right track here, which is app settings. So this is the main app settings section. You can see all the module tabs. Now this is the link, livewire.admin.software module. So X this section, go back to your views, then scroll down to where you have livewire here, go to admin, then you go to software module.php. So this is the section. Can just say out. Yeah, let me just put this. So once I go back to the admin section and reload here, so basically this is how you do it. So remember when we tried to log in the admin, we have to use admin/remedylogin.com. So go back to, just log out the admin section. So log out. So what I'm just showing you guys this is, I want you guys to be able to do it yourself. Now you're able to remove this remedy here, because not everyone is a dev who got script most times. So once you move this login, the remedy here, now this is the main login section here. Now once you go back to your public_html or to your add-on domain where you have your main folder, just go to where we have routes, because this has to do with linking. Yeah, so let's say go to admin.php. Now if you come to admin.php, now this is the route, everything that has to do with routing in the admin section. Now you can see this remedy here. Just delete this, just delete the remedy, just keep logging and save this, then come back here and reload this section. As you can see, so you can log in with your admin section with your domain name /admin/login. So let's do it. There you sign in, as you can see. So it's still the same process. Okay, so that's that. You just have to remove that section. So that's why so for added information and security reasons, so it's best to just add a link to this section instead of using just login. Remember, we have to change the first one. I'll show you guys to change it. So what you just have to do is, for instance, you might add your name to this, or you just add, let me just say cat. So this will be your admin login. So this will enable disallowed people that are trying to hack into your website or your admin in order to change your wallet address. So you just have to do something like this, which is also essential. You just need to add this information to it. So let me show you guys, because I haven't installed this before. Now the next section here is, let's go back to settings. You go to app settings. Now you come to this website information. So let's fix this quickly. Let me say Big Giant Tech trade option. So I'll copy this information and just paste this here. Take this website keyword and paste this. So this is how you do it. So if you have TDO live chat, you're just able to put your live chat ID. This section here is a link. Also change your time zone and ensure this is stored in main domain. If you use a subdomain, just put subdomain or a subfolder. All depends on you. You can put your WhatsApp number here. Then ensure you copy your website domain link, put it here. Remove the slash behind it. That's good. So let's upload our company image and logo. So I'll use this as, so let me just use this instead. Then I'll use this. So I'll click on updates. As you can see, let me reload the front end. So this is how it is, and this is how it will look like. So guys, this is the front end. As you can see, this is very nice and it's wonderful. So this is how it is, so slick, as you can see. So I've showed you guys a little bit tips on how to do most information. So go back to website information. We're done with this. You go to preference, then copy your domain, your website's company email and paste it here. And also just scroll down. We have withdrawals, enable Google reCAPTCHA. No, I don't have the API key to this. Translation is on, KYC on. KYC is on there. You can see KYC on. After user registered, they have to go through KYC on. Email verification, return capital, yes. Plan cancellation, user can cancel plan. You can say on, yes, and click save. Good. Go back to the email section, then paste in your email link here. There should be your email name. Then you click save. Come back, you get to SMTP. Ensure to do this, which is very important. Here is your SMTP information. Now, once you create your email account, remember this. Once you create your email account, the very first thing you see in your webmail is your mail configuration settings. Ensure to copy your SMTP outgoing server link here. It all depends on the domain you're using. If you're using Hostinga, it's smtp.hostinga.com. Why, if you're using most platforms, yours might be your domain name.com or mail.yourdomainname.com. So your email password you created, you copy your email password and make sure to save it. Good. So this is for SSL. So I'll click on save. Then you take this back to send mail and scroll down and click on save. So this is how it is basically. Now we're good to go. Next section here is, let me show you guys how to add investment plans. So if you go to active investments, so go to investment plans. So this is investment plans here. Are you able to add a new investment plan? Click on add new. So let's say plan name here should be PVIP plan. Let me just say Let me see Nigeria plan. Now the minimum plan price here, let me put this as 8,000. Why the plan price? This should be also the maximum. The maximum for this section here is 5,000. Then this will also be the maximum plan, 5,000. Minimum plan return here is, let me say, 85%. Why the maximum plan is also 85%. Now the give bonus for this plan here is 300. Now the top up interval, you can select it either monthly, weekly, daily. Let me say daily. Now top up is this is in percentage, not a fixed price. So top up amount in percentage, I'll put this as 85. You get to 85. Then the investment duration, let me say this is 5 days. 5 days. For 5 days, now we're good to go. So click on add plan. As you can see, our plan has been added successfully. So if you go back to investment plans, so you're able to see our Nigeria plan here, which is awesome. So before we continue, go back to settings, go to referral bonus. You're able to add referral bonus here for direct commission and other kind of bonus. Now registration bonus, let me just put this as 100. For user deposit, they get bonus of 20. So I'll click on update. So go back again to settings, go to payment settings, which is very, very important. Now what you just need to do here is, before I continue to this process, come to payment preference. So this is a manual. In case you want to add automatic payment section, able to do it here. If you have Binance or Coinbase, you can add it here, and this is for coin payments, API needed. If you go to gateways, you can add Stripe, PayPal. If you have Paystack, you can add Paystack here, Flutterwave and Binance API to use automatic payment gateway. Now this is for transfer. I want this on. I'll keep this on. Then minimum transfer is 50, and you can add charges. Let me say 20. Users can transfer to other users using the platform. You get it? So that's how it works basically. So go back to payment method. Now what you just need to do here is, if you go to view icon here, then this is for bank transfer. On our bank transfer, here is currency and crypto. For crypto is for cryptocurrency. For bank transfer is what currency. Add your bank transfer information and do this for both withdrawal and deposit. If you want to use bank transfer to just withdraw, just indicate for just withdraw there, click what save. So let me go back again, and if you go to Bitcoin, just take this out, so not available. Now while doing this, ensure you always confirm your deposit wallet, or tell your users to confirm wallet address before making payments. Why this? I said to use a manual payment gateway, and also install this kind of websites. Any website that has to do with payment options, always install them in a good hosting that are secured, that always ensure that all backdoors are closed, because almost all the script has backdoors, because most times we do not get the script or will not create it ourselves, but hackers always find a ways to penetrate any script using a backdoor, because most code have backdoors. When they use the backdoor, they're able to change in your deposit wallet. Ensure to always do what I said, okay? Then click save changes. You can also upload barcode and your URL to this. Let me just take this out. I don't know where that URL come from. So I click save changes. So basically this is how you add wallets to your website. So go back to settings again. Let's see. If you go to swap settings, I don't think okay, this is turned on. So this okay, go back again. Subscription settings. So I think we're good to go. So let me go back to the front end of the website. So let me go to the registration section. Now this is let's see, verification required. Please enter the verification code below to continue registration. So I'll just have to put this verification that is stately here. This verification is kind of a recaptcha section. Okay, this also block spams or auto robot that keeps on logging to website. So let me just go through, fill out all this process. So I'll fill out this information, as you can see. Yeah, this is optional. Click what? Create. Good. Verify your email. Enter the 6 digits verification code sent to your email. So let me go to my email. Let me reload here. As you can see, welcome to Big Giant Tech Trade. Now this is the verification section. As you can see, the account is ready. So let me go back again. This is our verify your email address. So I'll just copy this and go back to here and paste. So this is it, guys. Now remember, we turn on KYC, so it takes you directly to verify your KYC. So I'll click complete your KYC. So once you click on complete KYC, let me just continue here. Then select my date of birth. Let me say today. Then name for username and select the document. Users can choose either international passport or driver license. So let me just choose this and upload. So I'll do this for all of them. So ensure to click on this and submit application. Now you can see this works well. If you get to see errors while doing this, ensure you use a good hosting and follow what I did, because I have to go through extra miles just to ensure you guys see most of the information well. So go back to admin section, go to KYC application. Now click on view this application. As you can see, and this is a customized script from another script. Then you click on action and account is approved and confirm. So I believe this sends email to the user. Account is verified, as you can see. So go back to the user section, reload the dashboard. Now this is nice and this is very effective. Now this is the front end of the website. Now users can also change this to white background, which is also dope. You can see the verified status. Let me just take this like this. Let's see. Now this is the mobile section of the website. This is how it looks on mobile. Nice, right? Good. This is how it looks on mobile. So the next section here is, I won't waste much of your time, guys. Let me just go straight to deposit. So once you come to deposit section, remember we created for bank transfer and Bitcoin, as you can see. So users can click on bank transfer. So this is it. So I'll click on bank transfer, then put the amount I want to transfer. Then if I click on complete deposit, you can see it prints out all the information here. So I'm just upload the payment proof. Then let me hit submit payment. As you can see, access funds successfully. If you click on Bitcoin also, put the amount. Let me just put 2,000 here and complete deposit. As you can see, this is the wallet address not available. So users will be able to put this information, meaning there is no QR code section here, so you don't. There's no QR code kind of deposit. Okay, so I won't do this section. You can see the deposit, which is the transaction here, 100, which is the bonus. Now, if you go to transactions, if you go to orders, let's see. Okay, the bonus didn't show in the transaction section. So go back to the admin, go to manage deposits, click on this eye icon to see the deposits information. Click on back here, they process this. This has been processed. So once I reload this section here, you can see this process, right? Good. So let me go back to the dashboard section. As you can see, this is it, and this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So one more information, go back to your hosting dashboard, go to Cron Jobs, locate Cron Jobs. So once you come to Cron Job, just go to custom. If you're using a different platform, you'll be able to see yours straight. Okay, so this is what you paste in. So once you get this code from me, you'll be able to see you get a separate file. Okay, and you're able to see the Cron Job there. So let me just copy this, and then once you do this, just set this to every 5 minutes and click save. So that's how you add Cron Job to this website for auto return. Okay, or you can also use the manual way as usual. So that's that. So what's next again? Let me just show you guys something. If we click on transfer funds, now this will be, you can see 20% we added. Users can transfer funds to another user using the same platform. Okay, so once user click on trading plans, so these are trading plans here, as you can see. You can see the trading plans section here, which is nice. We have Nigeria plan, so we have several investment platform here, plans here. So this is the one we created, as you can see. So this is another one here. So you can see how it changes, right? So if you go to your admin, if you go to active investment plans, these are the plans here. So we are good to go. So I'll go to straight to the one I added, which is Nigeria plan. So once you come here now, just select the amount. Now let's say the maximum here is 5,000, 5k. So I'll change this to, let me say 4k. Then I'll confirm and invest. Now you have successfully purchased a plan and your plan is now active. So let me go back to dashboard. You can see the deduction, right? This is the bonus here, 400. Now this is for deposits. Good. So basically this is how it is and this is how it works. It's a standard investment plan website. So go back to admin. So if you come to investment, go to active investment. Now if you click on action here, go to more actions. Now once it's more than 5 days, you can mark this as expired or you can delete the plan. But before you do that, just go straight to, let's see, let's go back to dashboard, then go to manage users. Then this particular user, go click on manage, and you're able to view the plan of this particular user. Click on view plan, takes you to this section, right? So let me X here back and okay, then click on actions. So you're able to turn on trade for this user or turn off trade, turn on withdrawal section, modify user dashboard, and add trading history to this user. Click on add trading history, then you select an investment plan, and you invest for this particular user. Add this as return on investment, add history. So once I go back here, I reload the section. Now that will be added to the profits, as you can see. So once you go back again to the manage user section, click on action. Let's say notify user dashboard. Let's notify something here. Account funded by AI trade. Notify user dashboard. So I come back here, I reload this section. You can see account, welcome to Big Giant Tech, account funded by AI trade, something like that. You get it. So once you come back to admin, to remove that, just come back to notify user dashboard and take this out, just save. Once I come back here, I'll reload this section. So this is how it is. Now this will remove after 3 days. It's stated at the if you go to admin, go to app settings, you see that there. So that is how it works. So go back to admin again, click on action. Then you can credit this user. You can credit them as bonus, profit, or referral bonus, or account balance, or as deposit. You can say as deposit, or let me just take this as profit again and select type credit, and you can also debit them through this section. Then you submit. So once I go back here, let me reload the user dashboard. As you can see, this is it. So once I go back to, let's see, we are always getting emails too. So basically guys, this is it. So once user come to this dashboard, click on withdraw. They have to put in their password. So I put in my user password. Now this is for their withdrawal section. They were able to withdraw with the deposit information you imputed. Now this is how it is. So once I go back to admin, click on actions. Let's see what this does. Turn on withdrawal. User withdrawal has been turned on. Let's turn off withdrawal for this user. Withdrawal has been turned on. Let me just reload here. Let's see what that does. So click on action again. Let's turn this off. Let me see. So let me reload here. So let's see if that works. Click on withdraw and put the withdrawal amount. Now this generate a withdrawal code. Withdrawal code has been generated. Please contact live support or email us for further assistance in order to get the withdrawal code which has been generated. So once I go back here, let's see what this does. Let's turn this on again. Let me go back here and reload. Let me go back to withdraw. If you go to withdraw again, complete this request. So as you can see, let me go back again to withdraw. Just want to confirm if it's because we turned that on. Let me just put this information. Good. Meaning once you come to admin, if you turn on withdrawal, meaning users can withdraw smoothly. If you turn that off, meaning users have to upload request for withdrawal code. So let me just go to withdraw. Just fill out this information. Okay, let me just fill out this wallet. And save changes. So that's it. Let me go back again to, let me go to the withdraw. then with Bitcoin, then complete withdrawal request, let's say. So we're able to withdraw, right? Meaning once you come back here, once you turn this off, users won't be able to withdraw except the request for code. So guys, let me go back to dashboard, go to manage withdrawals, click on view, then click on paid. If you click on reject, you have to send email why you rejected it, then click on paid. Once you paid user through the wallet, then click what process. Good. So once I go back to the user section, meaning you've paid this user, below the dashboard section. So this is how it works, guys. So this is all about this website. If you want to get something like this, first thing first, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on Big Giant Tech. Now message me on WhatsApp through my link or my WhatsApp number. Thank you guys for watching my video once more. See you guys in the next section.